Hi, this is RT channel. Today we will be introducing a tool that is very important in the paint spraying industry. Multi-layer paint filter paper. Let's explore its construction. Multi-layer paint filter paper is used to remove paint particles and overspray from the air. It consists of a multi-layer structure, usually 5 to 7 layers, each with a specific function. Let me show you some advantages of multi-layer filter paper. High filtration efficiency, 5 retardant anti-statics, lower air resistance, easy to replace, economical and practical. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website.